Hello everyone, my name is Ethan. So long never see you. Today we're going to surf the earth. You know how? My brother went me.
Hello everyone, my name is Brendan. Did you know that when we throw the used cooking oil into the sink, it ends up in the ocean/sea? This can pollute our sea and it's not good for our ocean creatures. Today we will be making soap. So today we will be making soap using the used cooking oil. We need 100 ml of used cooking oil.
We need 100 ml water.
We need 30 grams of sodium hydroxide.
And what we need to make it smell good, Ethan?
Lavender oil.
So first we need to put 2 spoons of this in the water. We have to be very careful because when you add it in here, it will be super hot. Now you mix. Now I'm going to add this into the oil.
Slowly.
I don't think so I can do this. But I'll try.
Go, Ethan, go.
Oh. Mix. Oh no, I'm so scared. I don't know I can do this.
It's hot.
When the mixer is stick like this, I'm going to put the lavender oil in few drops. One.
Now you pour the mixture into the mold. Now you have to be very careful. So what?
I think that's enough.
Look at that.
That's enough.
Okay. Next. So this is how it looked like after you put the soap in the mold. And ta-da! This is how it will look like in the end when it dries. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.